Hello, Bernard here. We are back at the Vikersee, this time at a different position. Last time we were located over there. Basically, there's a bridge between. The Vikersee, basically, the small Vikersee has two parts. This is the regular one for bathing, and this is basically for the nudists. So if you find any bath suits or something here, we know somebody broke the rules. Yeah, and I'll check out what I can find. Apparently people told me there should be big fish, carp over there somewhere yesterday, but I guess they're everywhere anyway, or to a certain degree. We'll see. And yeah, I will find out what I find. And today I have for the first time my tablet, and I assume that my visibility will be way better now. At least I don't have to stare like really close again at the screen, and probably identify some stuff earlier. Like yesterday when I reviewed the footage at home, I actually encountered two crayfish, or at least one confirmed crayfish and the other one I think was a crayfish. And although I must say, even in 4K, I mean, I don't have a 4K monitor, but the resolution of the footage was 4K. I could barely spot them, and one was just luck that I spotted him. So yeah, we'll see what we'll find, and then I will report back. So see you later. Well, this time a lot of things went wrong. Initially there were some minor hiccups with getting dirt into the propellers, which I fixed by simply turning off the engines and let the dirt settle. Yet then it started raining and it didn't stop. I was quite unhappy and thought this was a total failure. Although at home, reviewing the footage, I had two major surprises. First off, I got my first Pike on camera, and second, my rear camera had also caught a few on a Stickling. Stichling. Now this is a very small fish, but for me it is a bit of a legend. Back then when I was a child and we were going fishing, I looked into the books and I really liked that fish. It has three small spikes at the top and it's really small. Yet I never saw one in real life. So it was basically a bit of a legend or a myth. Since I have seen perch, pike, tench, carp, trout and others, and in some cases I even caught them. But the Stickling was basically a fish from the book that I've never seen until I reviewed the camera footage. And he also comes rather close and displays his spikes and then drives off. So I was really happy when I saw this. At home. At the lake, I wasn't happy. Of course it started raining again, so this is how I sit now, because I don't want to get the remote too wet. Oh, steering back. Yeah, well, weather could be a bit better. I grounded the drone for now, as you can see here. And yeah, this is what the display looks now. I'm sitting now below an umbrella, and hopefully it stops soon, I can continue. I also have really problems with navigation, so I was pointing the drone. Let me fix the umbrella to show you. I wanted the drone to go there underwater, so I put it in that direction, and then I corrected a bit to the left to avoid stuff underwater. And the next time I checked, I was over there and heading in that direction, which I had gone previously. Which, yeah, I don't know. So it felt like I turned maybe like here or somewhere. So slightly over there, but not like this. Yeah, it probably doesn't help that currently my calibration for the is off. Well, it's getting worse. I guess I have to call this off. Yeah. Of course, this is a rather situation to pack everything with this kind of weather, because this was not like yesterday, somewhere a house or something where I can move over. But I don't think it makes very much sense to sit here for 1 or 2 hours, because I get